I want to show you how to use PIVOTBY function that just in 1 second transform your table into groups. Stop grouping data manually. For example, just writing the sum, then select the first data, the second. It takes so much time. Instead, try this. Go here and enter the PIVOTBY function. Now, select the range that we want to use as rows, in this case the names, then pick the range for the columns with the areas and the range with the values, in this case the sales amount. Next, choose the function that we want to use to group our data by, in this case the sum function. Enter 0 to hide the headers, 1 to show the grand totals, and another one to sort the rows in ascending order. And that's it. Press enter. In just 1 second, we got the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.